Working before I was paid for it. Ain't no finish line, I'm trying to race to it. I'ma run it after the tape torn. Can't be easing up, I keep the speed. I need that paper busting out the ring. I don't just love it, I'm a fiend. That's why I'm never running out of steam. And yeah, I'm the pastor, but I'm a heathen. I gotta get it beat. Some bereavement, we ain't just in the lead, we the leads. And pushing it till we see every region, pedal the flow. Middle of the clip, let the head of the note. I got the temperature sweltering, never so effortless, referencing what's in the toe. Don't mention my name, listen next to the goat. Traumatized through all the years, still I rise, I'm hard to kill. Before they lay me down the hill, I pray the Lord my sights reveal. All enemies in sight and he holds true to words that God forgives. Close your eyes and guard your ears. Close your eyes and guard your ears. On the way to get a plate, I had to elevate and clear the slate. Before I could ever make them up the rate, it was some different routes I had to take. I'm at a different height and they can feel it. Been cruising at 30K, the view was great. I'm trying to take it up through the ceiling. No limit on anything I never take, cause I'm in demand this year. I stuck to the plan, it's clear. Yeah, I got a brand to build. Applying pressure with no plans to chill. Put me in that prime time, this is special. I'm keeping the schedule feel. No time for the extra at all. I got it unlocked to conceal. I ain't trying to play. I'm in the field all day. I hit the top speed, still pushing it. That's how it is all day. Didn't know I had a shot, but I took it cause I know the winds won't wait. That's just a risk I take. That's just a risk I take. When I lose, my eyes are even. There's a risk to all achievement. I'd rather live a lesson than die regretful. I earn this level, I burn my devils and turn this fate to my side. Put in the prep for the moment to rise. And I ain't planning to let up. I'm like a collectible, only get better with time. Every day a new prime. Edges serrated, I sharpen the mind. Play with this blade and your life on the line. Top of the morning, you know I'ma shine. You know I'ma shine. I'm feeling revived. Refinery, you know I've been through the fire. Flawless, the victory right in my hand. Literally, it gon' take more than they got to get rid of me. Slimming. I ain't trying to play. I'm in the field all day. I hit the top speed, still pushing it. That's how it is all day. Didn't know I had a shot, but I took it cause I know the winds won't wait. That's just a risk I take. That's just a risk I take.
All right, fam, I got to give y'all my opinion on which one I think did the best. Well, it's kind of a tie. So the Q20i had more bass, and y'all know I like bass, but the W830nb had more clarity. So between the two, which one would I go with? Y'all do know I like bass, so if I'm working out and all that good stuff, I'm gonna go with the Q20i. However, for clarity, if I'm just relaxing, chilling in the house or whatnot, I'm gonna go with the W830nb because I really like the clarity here. But y'all gotta let me know which one y'all have or which one y'all would go with. Also, let me know what y'all want to hear next. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.